All right, this is 920 Princeton Avenue. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Come up here and we've got a decent sized porch on the front. And this is Princeton Ave right there. When we come in the front room, it brings us into the first living area. Nice floors, blinds. It's got the really tall ceilings that you see in these older type homes. Then if we come around the corner, it brings us into the other side of the living room here. So it's a dual living room style. Pretty large area. Off the first living room, you have the first bedroom. Nice carpet. It's got a ceiling fan. Nice blinds. Then if we come in here, here's the kitchen. Kitchen's got new cabinets, a fantastic backsplash installed in here. Range, fridge, dishwasher. And over here, this unit comes with a washer and dryer. So the washer's right here and the dryer's right there. Off to our right is the bathroom. Nice shower surround and all the fixtures. And then back here is the other bedroom. This bedroom has a nice big standing closet in it. And then if we keep going through, we can go out the back door. And this is my favorite part about this home, is the big yard back here. It's got a nice shed, nice long backyard. There's off-street parking back there by the fence in the alleyway. A decent sized yard as well. Alrighty, well that is 920 Princeton Ave.